They actually put cooking oil in your curling cream. Can you imagine that Cantu actually put canola oil? Yes, I said canola oil, the same oil that you would use to fry plantains, chips, and chicken. They put it in your Cantu coconut curling cream. And you're probably wondering, like, why is there cooking oil in my coconut curling cream? Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria Eyog. I'm the founder of the Way School of Life. On this channel, I talk about skincare, haircare, dating, and relationship tips. And recently, I started a new series in which I demystify the Cantu coconut curling cream by going through every single ingredient as a pharmacist. So I'm telling you in this series what is in the Cantu coconut curling cream. I'm telling you whether it is good or bad for each ingredient. And then I'll give you my final opinion by trying it on my own 4C low porosity hair. So, in the first video, I was explaining like what the whole series is all about. In the second video, I talked about the very first ingredient, which is water. If you've not yet watched that video, I invite you to check it out because I really explain why it's important that water is the first ingredient in Cantu coconut curling cream. So today we're exploring the second ingredient, which is canola oil. So, do not be frightened by the fact that it is a cooking oil. It is quite a good oil, so to say. So, canola oil is derived from the canola plant, actually. The canola plant is a variety of rapeseed. So, this oil is quite not that much expensive. So, that's probably why it is used as a cosmetic ingredient because it is not that expensive. But maybe you're telling yourself that, okay, they're putting cooking oil in your like Cantu coconut curling cream. So does it mean that it's not good? No, let me tell you that this oil has a good number of properties which makes it to be really good for your curling cream. So canola oil is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, that's really important for your hair because it's going to make your hair lustrous, it's going to make your hair shiny, and it also contains vitamin E. So these are good ingredients actually for your hair. Canola oil is an emollient, it will soften your hair shaft, it will make your hair smooth, it will reduce frizz, and it will make your hair more manageable. So actually it's only good things. Okay, so for the second ingredient of Cantu coconut curling cream, as a pharmacist, I can already say it's good too. So, like first ingredient, good mark. Second ingredient, good mark. We're going to go through the other ingredients in the future videos, but like up till now, I can say that it looks like a really good product. I don't know why there's so many people giving bad reviews of this product because it's the new formula is not the old one, it's the new one. But till now, like I'm already at the second ingredient, and I'd say like till now it's quite good. Okay, so canola oil is not a fancy oil, I know, but it has good properties and it's good for your hair. It's easily available. It's not that much expensive. But there are other oils, of course, in Cantu coconut curling cream, and we are going to discuss them, of course, because we're going through each ingredient. So make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the videos where I go through each ingredient. Before going any further, let me talk to you about my book. So this book is called Starting a Natural Hair Journey from Scratch. In this book, I talk about transitioning from relaxed to natural hair. And I shared my own experience about how I transitioned from relaxed to natural hair. When I was transitioning from relaxed to natural hair, I did not have a book like this one. So I really relied mostly on God and like asking him, what should I do here? What should I do there? And doing lots of research and really following the lead of the Holy Spirit on how I was transitioning from relaxed to natural hair. And by the grace of God, everything that God taught me through that season of transitioning and taking care of my natural hair, I kept it. I wrote it in this book. I wrote it in this book in order to help you out if you want to transition from relaxed to natural hair, or if you're already a natural hair girly and you just want to know how to take better care of your hair. The book is not too big, but it is full of resources. Okay, so let me show you a little bit like this is what my hair, I don't know if you can see clearly, this is what my hair looked like when it was relaxed. And then I had to do a bit chop. this was like my hair when I did a big chop, and this was my hair like 1 year later. By the grace of God, this is my year 1 year later. But like we're already many years later. You can see that like I did my big chop in 2020. This is 2025. By the grace of God, and yeah. So this is the book. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon. Just check the link in the description below, and you can get the paperback or the ebook on Amazon. But if you're in a country where you did not have access to Amazon, there's another link. There are two other links, by the way. You can purchase the book for yourself and read it and really like use the tips that are in the book. They're really going to help you. They're going to be really useful for you. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad if you are being helped by the series. Already, I would like to know what are your impressions on Cantu coconut curling cream. Have you already used it? What do you think about it? Or do you know people who have used it and what do they think about it? Can you say like what's your own opinion about Cantu coconut curling cream in the comment section? And also, how do you feel knowing that there's canola oil in Cantu coconut curling cream? What are your impressions? Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss the next videos, because I will go through all these ingredients here, okay, step by step. I really want to break it down so that you understand what's in the product. So subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like watching this video, like if you learn something by watching this video, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like, leave a thumbs up, tell the algorithm that you like my video, and also please share it with someone else. Share it with another natural hair girly. Share it with someone else. It is helping me. Like when you share my videos, when you like them, when you subscribe, it helps the algorithm to know that this is actually valuable content and it will push it out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you and see you soon.